how to make a business page on Facebook. Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm giving you a tutorial that how to create a business page on Facebook and to run your business. So Facebook was initially a social media platform, but now it has expanded so much and that we can create your own business pages on Facebook and we can sell products on business page and run business. So let's get into it. First, you all have to do is to go on your Facebook. You have to create your profile. This is a simple profile, not a business profile. This is your simple profile giving them some sign up information. Once you done, you will see a landing page by this. So I'm gonna show you how to create a business page. So on the left side you will see a lot of different options here. So you will see an option like page. Simply click on that. There we go. So now you will see a setting button and a pages and profile. So all we have to do is to create a new page. Is simply click on that. So first you have to name them a page, like what should be the name of your page. So I'm gonna give them like a texture, and you have to choose the category, like so this is gonna be electronic store, so I'm gonna go with that, like electronic shops. And this is optional, you have to create your own bio. I'm not gonna do that, so simply create page. It will take to another site. There we go. So finish setting up your page. If you have a website, or you copy the URL and paste it over here, then you have your phone number, your email address, your location, postcode, and there is a lot that people know your location or no hours always open and operas like that. It's depend upon you what are going to choose that. So simply click on that. So this is the main thing. You have to create the profile picture and the cover photo. So let me just go with there, and there we go. And this is how, like, you have to create your profile picture and the cover photo. So simply click on next and build your page audience, like you have to create them to simply on next. I'm not gonna do that. Done. There we go. Boom, there is our professional business page, the texture, and this is gonna be electronic store, like the texture. So this is my profile picture, my cover photo, and this is how you can create your business page. You have to promote by, you have to manage, you have to edit and everything over here, and you have the options over here like add story, video details. You will simply click a lot of options there, and this is gonna be a professional email. You have link any, you have link any of these, like you have to link your website, your Instagram, your any website URL. You're gonna link them, and you have a professionally go through that website. So this is how you can create your business page on Facebook. So if you find useful for that video, make sure you like that videos and don't forget to hit on subscribe button, and I will catch you on the next video, and have a good day. Thank you.